All right, what up, everybody? So I'm over here in Henderson right now, actually Green Valley, and one of my agents, Joey, we picked up a brand new listing, and this actually belongs to one of our clients from YouTube. They actually bought this property and did a full rehab on here. It took them a while to get it done, but finally got it done. This property looks gorgeous. It is about to hit the market. Matter of fact, it just got on the market for sale. I'm just kind of show you guys the neighborhood here. So this is going to be the older Henderson, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like on the inside. Now I haven't been here since it's been remodeled, so we're gonna go inside. Trying to figure out these keys. Okay, it's not that one. What the hell? What about this one? Is it this one? What about this one? Okay, what's going on here, guys? I always have a problem with keys. It's got to be this one. Oh, I guess I just didn't put it in correctly. Woo! Uh-oh. It smells like paint in here. Looks like they may have just epoxied this thing. All right, we got one key after another, so please hang tight. We're in! Ooh! Look how gorgeous this thing is. So I'm actually here today to do a video home tour, and this is something that we do when we take on a new listing. Wow. Before, this thing was so choppy and had like all these walls, and had to take down all these walls. It didn't even have a pool. They added this slider here. But anyway, one of the things that we do once we take on a listing, we'll do a video home tour. We will also create a QR code for that video home tour. Then from there, what will happen is we create these 16 by 12 flyers. It's like a folder, and we mail it on out to about 500 to like 1,000 neighbors around the surrounding area, right? And with that QR code, once they receive it, all they have to do is actually take a look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Gorgeous. Anyway, what they will do is once they receive that flyer, there's a QR code on there, and they'll go ahead and scan it, and it links them up to our YouTube channel where they can actually do the full video home tour, or watch the full video home tour, sorry. And if they like it, then they'll just actually give us a call. Now the other thing is, if this is actually your first time tuning in to this channel and you don't know who I am, my name is Chakits, Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, and I do a lot of video home tours. However, this channel is more of a vlog channel, and the reason why I created this vlog channel is to share my experiences as an agent. I've been doing this now for about 13 years, and I started with $0, and I really just want to show and share my journey with you guys as I go through the process of my career. There's always going to be ups and downs, so I just want to share like who I am, right, as a person, real life, just trying to make it happen. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to like subscribe to the channel, I would really encourage you to subscribe to the channel, because I'm trying to get up to like 10,000 followers. Right now, I think we're only like at 9,400 or something like that. Wow. I mean, this thing is beautiful. But yeah, like I said, I just really just wanted to share my life and what life is all really about, because at the end of the day, we only live once. But I think most importantly, I'm actually really just creating more of a documentary of my life, so that way the day that I die, my friends and my family can actually go back and just watch these videos, and it allows me to go back and just kind of see where I started, with $0, didn't have a really good education, just didn't know where I was going. I didn't have like parents to financially help me, didn't know who like my dad was, and I didn't have nothing. But I flew out here with a couple $100, and I just wanted to share those experiences, because I'm just your average guy just trying to make a living. But man, look how gorgeous this home is. Now, if you guys want to check out this home here, I'm gonna have a link. Matter of fact, I won't even have a link. Just go to our first channel. Just type up Chakits on the search bar on YouTube, or you can just type up homes for sale, and with the algorithm, I should definitely pop up on the first channel, or on top of the page. I hate it when a home has like so many light switches. I mean, this home's staged very well though, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. There's that light switch. Now I gotta get these ones right here. So like, where is the light switch? Here we go, here we go. It's gotta be one of these right here. Nope. Oh, come on. Where is that light switch here for this? There we go. Wow. Look at that. gorgeous. All right, guys, I want to show you guys the progress of the closet. So all the closets have been screwed in here. We screwed all this into as well. And as you can see, we got the nice display of all the cologne. So we got this piece right here. I think it was like 15 bucks. Then we have the watch collection. This is really cool right here. I just bought this from Amazon. All the belt displays. Then we got the car right there, baby. However, room is a mess right now. So right now I gotta go through the whole process, organizing all the clothes, folding the clothes up here. As you can see, we've got the pants, the baggy pants, the designed shirts go here. Work in progress. But got something very exciting here that just came in the mail. All right, so I got this box from Nike. Backstory, the other day I was on Instagram. So one of my good friends from Hawaii, his name is actually Kamalani. He just recently purchased some G Nikes. So I was like, yo, that's pretty cool. Back to the old school. So I figure, you know what? Let me get some G Nikes as well. So I actually custom ordered these G Nikes, which is, they're actually called Nike Cortez. Look at this. That is sick. Look at that. Suede. So I did the suede, the leather here, red laces, right? And also did the bottoms black because it does get a little bit dirty here in Vegas. Did these little bar things here as well. And take a look at this. Customize it. RH for Red Hill. That's right. Red Hill, baby. Take a look at that. Sick, right? All right, so now I gotta try these things on. Man, these things are sweet. Look at that. Add this to the collection. I mean, these things are full custom. I mean, you pay like 50 bucks more, but I think it's worth it because you can really customize these shoes and make them very unique. You make them in your own, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try these on. Oh yeah, these are actually comfortable, guys. Look at that. Pretty sick, right? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about these. Now, if you grew up in the 80s, the 90s, you know what I'm talking about. Back in the day, baby. All right, guys, so I'm over here at the DMV off of Stephanie and 215. And I got to go and register the Lamborghini Huracan Technica. Now, the DMV has been so busy. The best thing to do is actually set up an appointment with the DMV. Now, my tags have been expired at this point. It's been past 30 days, but that was the only time I could actually get in for an appointment. However, the DMV out here is very expensive when you register your car. So I think the last time I registered Jess's car, I think it was like 6 grand. My other BMW was like 8 grand. But I mean, this car is about a $400,000 car. So I'm thinking, and hopefully it is about 12 grand, but I don't know, we'll see. Might even be $15,000 just to register this vehicle. Oh wow. Oh, thank you. There's a line. Oh, good news is we ain't gotta wait in that long line. Basically, I got a text from the DMV, and basically it says hit 2 once you're here. I hit 2, got a follow-up text, and basically it says just sit down and wait till we actually text you. So that's a good thing. So make sure to schedule an appointment. That is the best way to go about this. All right, so let me give you an update. The total cost to register the Lamborghini, and I thought it was gonna be 12 grand. However, it was only a total of $4,200, but I had a late fee because I didn't register the vehicle. That cost 450 bucks, but because I was so nice to the lady, she actually waived the $450.
Because you had to drive the vehicle.
Yes, because I didn't drive the vehicle. And I think I had to pay another $42 for the custom license plate, which is, I can't wait to show you guys the license plate. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think I actually put down for my license plate? And what else? Oh, my driver's license was about to expire next year, so she just said, hey, why don't you just go get a brand new driver's license while you're here, which makes sense. And that only cost me like $42, and it was very quick. But the moral of the story is that if you're good to people, and this is a learning lesson, I was thinking about this as I was sitting there, when you're very respectful and polite to other people, what happens is the universe picks that up and it gives it right back to you. We literally got a discount of $450, which is I should have paid for, but didn't have to pay for. So that was a learning lesson for myself and hopefully for you. So be good to people. All right, so I figured before we get back to work, there's a store that I've seen online through social media. It's called Honors. It's a local store out here, and you know how I like to support the 9th Island. I was looking at a couple of things like the clothes and stuff like that. I was like, I definitely gotta, you know, check it out. Hello, is anybody here? I think this is the hat I was looking at right here. Oh, these are just, I don't know, something about this hat I seen online. I was like, yo, this is dope.
It's a nice little hat. I like that one too.
Hey, what's going on? Is it cool if I film in here?
Yeah.
How's everything going on, man?
Good.
Everything's good?
Yeah.
How much are these hats?
50.
Are you the owner?
Yeah.
Pleasure to meet you, man. My name's Chakits.
Raleigh, nice to meet you.
This is
I'm
Jessica, my wife.
You guys from out here?
We live here now, but he's from Milwaukee and I'm from Big Island.
Right, what part?
I'm from Mauna Loa. You know where Red Hill is?
Yeah.
Are you from Milwaukee? Okay.
Oh,
I'm from the Big Island, just hillside, Kamana.
Oh, yeah. You guys been here for a long time?
Yeah, 20-something years. I seen you guys online. I was like, you know what? I gotta support the 9th Island.
Wave of Hawaii people that came here.
Oh, yeah.
The first time I came here was 02.
Oh, really?
That was the first time. Yeah.
Was this owned by a different brand at one point?
So I had Farmers Market Hawaii and this shop at Las Vegas Boulevard Windmill before.
With Rudy, right?
Yeah.
So you know Rudy and John?
Yeah.
Those are my people right there. Because Rudy, he does like all my filming.
Oh, real estate?
Yeah, real estate. And John, he does all my filming too. So good shit.
We have our 1 year coming up October 26th.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I think I seen it on
Like our grand opening, we had like 4,500 people. So
Oh.
get out of here.
huge. Yeah. You couldn't even. You guys have to park on the back street and then walk.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me know which one you guys like here. Should I get all 3? So how are you guys doing so far since you guys opened? Good.
Cause it was like I said, my old brand. We had shops in Japan, here, Hawaii, in the Bay. So it kind of like when I started this, it was just pooling everybody from that supporting my old brand.
Oh, that's cool. You already had a,
Yeah. How hard is it to start a brand like this and really get it going? Because I was looking, I was looking at the statistics with like brands.
There's a lot.
It just comes and go, yeah.
This is only a year. You figured a brand. I only bought it like not even a year and a half ago.
Okay.
But then most people can't move into a shop that quick. So we was like moving into the shop, and then we was like did our grand opening. Like I said, like most people won't have a 4,500 people turnout.
That's
you know what I mean?
That's a lot of people.
So.
And I think the last one you guys had like a car show or something like that, right? I don't know. I just started getting into cars now.
What do you like?
So I just bought a Lambo. So I like more of those. Yeah, I like those expensive.
I like old school.
But I do want to get a 1979 Porsche 911, like one of those old school.
My mom
ones.
had one.
Oh,
My mom
really?
flipped hers on though.
Oh, did you really? Oh. But yeah, I just want to get nice classic car.
I 20% discount yet, first time here, so.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate
147.
Cool. I appreciate it. What was your name again?
Raleigh.
Raleigh. Hey, it's a pleasure meeting you, Raleigh.
Thank you.
I wish you nothing but the best, okay?
Yeah, if it's not busy, the 26th is gonna have lion dancers, dragon dancers, Tahitian, fire dancers, food trucks.
October 26th.
Yeah, car meet, truck or treat.
What time?
4 to 10.
Okay. All right, remember that, guys. 4 to 10. October 26th. I have a link in the description below. Alright guys, enough fun. Now it's time to get to work. I'm here in a brand new community called Ashwood here. They got 1, 2, 3 display models right now. And they opened probably like, I'm gonna say 2-3 weeks ago or something like that. But it's actually hard to get in here because the street right here, Park Hill, is completely shut off. So looks like they're not getting a lot of foot traffic right now. The reason why it's shut off is because these guys are redoing the streets. So it's literally a maze just to get in here. Now, I'm gonna say probably about 6 weeks ago, I was actually out here when they were doing the drywall. Now we did a walkthrough really quickly, but the problem was that you couldn't really see what the product actually looked like. So I got a call from the sales agent, and she was like, come on by, let's take a look at the product, put it online. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do a video home tour. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do all 3 today because I got a bunch of calls to make, so I'm at least gonna do one, and I'm gonna get this on our first channel. So if you're thinking about buying a home out here in Las Vegas, just make sure to check out our first channel, Chakits, Chakits, and I'm gonna start uploading the videos. Look at this, Woodside Homes doing the 2-1 buy down at 3.75%, but man, that is a high APR even though interest rates are that low.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing today, sir?
What's your name?
Chakits with Simply Vegas.
Oh yeah,
we usually met already.
Yes, yes. We were just talking.
You're dressed down.
Yeah, with your hat.
Am I dressed down?
No, with your hat, I didn't recognize you. You're incognito.
Yeah, so I figured come by, do the video home tour, and also for that one client, Ken, as well.
Yeah, we were
so,
just talking about it, yeah.
So I figure, you know what, I'm just gonna do a video, but I'm not gonna do 3 of them today because it's just hot and I'm just tired. So I'm just gonna do 1, but I'll probably be back tomorrow to do the other 2.
Is this your first time here?
Actually, no, I actually walked the model when the drywall was up because I was already trying to sell it.
Right.
And that's how I got in contact with Ken.
Okay.
But Ken was like, hey, let me see the rest of the product. So Ken, if you're watching this, you see what I'm going through to get this thing done for you? So, we've got 3 different models, and the pricing on here starts off at $500,000 all the way up to $530,000. What's great about this community, there's a total of 67 lots available. They have 4 standing inventories. However, you know how like I was talking about this road where people can't come in and it's probably gonna hurt their sales? I walked in and had a full conversation with them and they're like, oh my God, it's literally hurting our sales right now. But like I said, they have 4 standing inventories right now, and these guys want to liquidate this thing. So basically they have stuff for October and November move-in. Now the total price here on some of these are $586, $615,000. The most expensive is $620. So that just tells you the type of upgrades. Now what's great about this is that a lot of the builders out here in Las Vegas right now, they are just speccing out your home, which means that they are picking out all the options for you, setting the price. If you want to buy it, that's what you're buying at. Here, lot premiums are about $10,000, and you get to do the structure option. You get to pick all your options too as well, so you have that option, which is a good thing. Now, like I said, if you want to see the full video home tour, I'll have a link. Matter of fact, I won't even have a link. Just go to the first channel. But I might give you a sneak peek of what this actually looks like. All right, I'm just gonna sneak through here because I don't want to hop over the fence. But real quick, I just want to show you what this thing looks like. This one has 4 bedrooms, 1 downstairs, 3 upstairs, 67 square feet, up to 4 bathrooms. This is it right here. I mean, definitely nice kitchen, guys, for sure. Love the kitchen. 36, 18, double stack, and then we finish off with the crown. Then we have 9-foot ceilings, which is great. Beautiful backyard. Remember, lot premiums are about like 10 grand. So, oh, we got a bedroom downstairs. This is always good, especially like on a resale value, because number 1, you may have mother and father-in-law or whoever are gonna live with you, or you're gonna have some guests. This one actually has a full built-in. Take a look at this. We got a sink, we got a dishwasher, and also convection. Unfortunately, this cannot be zoned as a duplex or anything like that. It's just zoned for single family residents. And take a look at this. Walk-in shower. Great. Let me go start this video home tour.